So we've taken most of the furniture down to the tents now. The boys had a great time helping us, which is great. So now I'm gonna put all the mattresses in and wash all the equipment ready for our guests. I'll take you down there. We'll have a quick look at what Dave's up to. He is sprucing up the outside kitchen. Can't see what he's doing, but I think he's taken the old worktop off.
Yeah. Yeah, will be.
Cool. We'll come back and have a look at what he's doing in a little while. Alright, let me show you our lovely field. Outside area that we need to spruce up. We started cutting back the nettles. You can see it'll make it look bigger. Don't know what we're going to do about all the molehill damage yet. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. There's Gibbs, who's had a haircut and likes to keep us company. And look at our field. All these beautiful colours at the top of the grass. I'm actually getting quite excited now. It was a really hard couple of weeks. I just couldn't seem to balance the work and the home. Look at all these. But the field's just so beautiful and the weather's getting warmer. And yeah, we've got everything we need to open, so I'm happy about that. Just need to put it all together. There's some beautiful thistles there as well. No, they're not thistles, they're something else, but they're the same colour as. Look, this is my pile of bedding to get in the tents. And the boxes of equipment. Right, better get on. These are the vacuum pack things we got last year. And now I get to see what good job they've done. This has got almost solid with a duvet in it. So let some air in, or not. Oh wow, it smells just as clean washed as when I put it away. That's amazing. That's amazing. So I've got all of them out. All the bed covers and pillows ready for the linen. And I'm just so pleased with those vacuum pack things. I think we did a really good job storing everything. Because everything smells fresh, nothing's got damp. It's just like it was when it was clean, freshly washed when I put it away. And I'm so pleased that we bought these as well, because I can't believe how comfy they make the tents. So we have a firm mattress, and then when we tried them out we just thought they were too firm, and then we got these foam mattress toppers. Look, oh, it's just so comfy. Last year we asked the guests about the thickness of the duvet, and I think we've got it right for the summer. No good for in the house in the summer because it's hotter there, but in the tents it's ideal. Yeah, they're not full on winter duvets. I can't remember what tog they are, but yeah, it's good. It's good. It's looking good. So I've got all the bedding out. Next is the equipment. I am sitting at the bench outside Le Chêne. We bought some benches for all of the tents this year because last year the comfy seats weren't as enjoyed as we thought they would be, because people wanted to be able to sit down and enjoy a meal outside the tent. So these benches with a decent height table are perfect. And we're moving all the comfy chairs to the communal area, so when everyone wants to chill out around the fire, they're there. I thought I'd chat to you while I'm doing the next thing I'm doing. I am getting all the boxed up equipment out from last year, and I'm going to check it all over, clean it up. Well, I'll go and get a washing up bowl in a bit, and I will clean it, dry it, put it in the tent, ready for guests. This is a citronella candle. Not used this one. I will be getting some new ones for the ones that I used, but perfect. These are really good for being out on the table in the evening because the bugs really do not like them. So I've got one of them. Doesn't look like it needs cleaning actually. Washing up bowl. These are awesome. Obviously because I got excited about washing up bowl in the shop because they pop out really easy. Oh, she says. So if people are eating down at the tents and they've got nice handles, means they can bung everything in and take it over to the sink quite easy and bring it back again. But also they don't take up too much room when I put them away. But I'll leave it open. Just a couple of bits to clean on that, so that will be getting washed up. Chopping board, kettle to go on the gas hob in the morning. I love doing that when camping, don't you? Get the gas hob on, put the kettle on. You know it's going to take forever, so you go and have a shower, come back, kettle's ready, and then you just sit out. Heat-proof glove, barbecues and stuff. What else have we got in here? Cutlery. First we'll do a count. This is for a tent for 6, so first make sure I've got 6 everything. 6 forks, 6 knives, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons. That's one thing I need to find, and 6 teaspoons. Alright, get them ready to be washed up. What for? I don't know what. These little things for coffee in the morning. These are really nice to hold. I can't remember where I found them. Oh, in Troc, I think. Troc's a second-hand shop here, but they also have packs of new stuff at a discount price, and this is one of them, pack of 6 bistro cups. I like the design on them as well. That's packing material, not important. Wine cooler, that's imperative for camping. That was from a second-hand shop as well. I think it's Emmaus we got that one. Look, what have we got? Oh, we've got a whole bag of cups in here. Right, check them over, make sure nothing's broken. Yeah, these are cheapies. They're like, I think some of them are from IKEA and some of them are from local, I can't remember the name of the shop, B&M I think. Yeah, but ideal for a mug of tea. Yep, they're all in good order. Keep all this packing stuff, we'll probably need it again, won't we? Yeah, really good. Right, need much of a wash. Good, and there's 6 of them, so that's good. Good. I can keep chatting to you as I'm like just staring into space, shouldn't I? I'm really excited. So I just don't really know what I talk about. My brain is going mental at the minute. That morning coffee, or evening coffee, or lunchtime coffee. Got some bowls, just 6 of them. Yeah. I've got 6 of them. Got a bit dusty, so I'll put them clean as well. Oh, I just love it. I love the idea of people coming here or camping and being able to, you know, eat out of China. It's all here ready. You literally can just go camping without packing the car. And we've got this trio of saucepans of different sizes for the gas hob. So if you want to cook at your tent, you can. So that's those. What else have we got here? And another frying pan. It's quite a small one. I'm thinking of getting some bigger ones, especially for this tent. Some barbecue stuff. Oh, it's tricky. Don't fall down. 6 china plates. these I've been collecting china plates from charity shops. Actually, I haven't been for a while. It'll be nice to, because I really like the idea of everyone having pretty plates. Just why not? And this, I like this one. And there's 6 of them. I couldn't find bowls to match, hence I got white ones, so it didn't clash too badly. Not that it has to be matching, but it has to, like, you know, go together. And last few bits. So we've got all the utensils in here, which is not where they actually go, but it's just for cooking. Really nice jug if you want to make up a drink and have it out. Or barbecue stuff. These are really cool, really sharp. And I really liked that they had cover, because we didn't fancy putting knife blocks in all the tents, especially this one, because the tents are set up, this one and the other one are set up for families, and you just don't want the kids a knife block out, do you really? So yeah, this is ideal. Pleased to find them, but it came in a kit, so I was like, oh well, those two things are useful as well. And the little bits for cooking. And look, the colour. There's this Roseraie green, nearly, but close enough. And spatula, wooden spoon, lighter, tin opener, because everyone always forgets these when they go camping, don't they? And, but all important, bottle opener. Pairs very nicely with the wine cooler, I think. Now, just the cups left. We've got these. These were a bargain, but I didn't want glass cups. But they look like glass, but they're a bit more durable and not a massive problem if they break. It would be cheaper to replace, and glass is a little bit more of a problem than a bit of plastic. These actually are more likely to crack than shatter, so they're quite good. This is to go with washing up bowl, and now these are glass, and I leave them in the tent in the box so that they don't break easily. And there are 6 of them, even though we expect families here, but then, you know, some kids can have a glass, even if it's just lemonade. It's nice to have an adult glass, isn't it? So there is all the kit that I have to wash up, dry, and get in the tent ready for campers. And then I've got to do it for the other 2 tents. This one is the biggest though, so it's going to take me the longest. But it is lovely and sunny, look at that. It would dry quick, wouldn't it? I might not need a tea towel. And this is Le Chien, ready for check-in. So, yeah, so everything in here is clean. And as soon as I have a booking in the next day, I'll be down here with fresh linen. Do another sweep around. Change all the beds. These are, yeah, because this is just the duvets and pillows at the moment. There's no sheets or linen on. I'll check over the equipment, but I know, because I've washed it all up, it's pretty clean. I'm quite happy with it. Bye bye, Le Chien.
Hello. So yesterday was a very busy day. We got all of the furniture down to the tents. While Rosie was putting all the furniture in the tents and cleaning up all the equipment, I was building replacing the worktop in the outside kitchen. So that's all replaced now. And I also de-weeded around the edge of the outside kitchen as well, so that you can see the kind of edge of the gravel, and it should be easier to mow. Then in a storm back in April, it blew the trampoline miles away, and in the process of that happening, the trampoline smashed into one of the water heaters, and ever since then it's been leaking. So we got a new water heater, and I fitted that yesterday as well. And then We used the Roseraie on the stinger nettles and cleared some of that area, which needs to be raked out and mown and raked out and mown and yeah, gone over a few times. So that's pretty good. And what is it today? We are painting today. So we're going to paint the outside kitchen and all of the little benches that we've got for the mini tent kitchens. So let's just flip you around. It's a beautiful morning here. Look at that. Yeah, so this outside kitchen here, new worktops on. We want to paint it with kind of oak coloured fence paint. So we're going to do that. Got to pop out and get some paint. We'll paint that up. Should look really nice. And these tables, we got 4 of these. These are potting tables from, got these off Amazon. Pretty decent little potting tables, and they got nice metal tops, so they're quite useful for what we wanted them for. And they're basically for the gas hobs to sit on at each tent, so that you can, you know, make a cup of tea. And they're pretty useful. So yeah, we're going to paint that in the Roseraie green and get them down to each tent. Yeah, so we'll keep you posted and see you soon. Bye.